Hey everybody, Danny here with Danny Murphy & Associates at First Team Real Estate. We're here at 16601 South Pacific Avenue in Sunset Beach. Hanging here with Wade, and I'm gonna get out of the picture for a second because check out this view, man. It's rad. We've got Catalina off in the distance. We've got some swell in the water. You've got Palos Verdes, Long Beach. I mean, it's just all about the views. So we're up here right now on the third level, master suite. House is about 3,900 square feet. Just up here alone, the master suite is about 1,300 square feet, 1,300 square feet. We just came from a place in Surfside, and you know, it's like this big, it's like a little pancake. You know, it's super narrow, and there's no parking. And you know, you come back here, and it's like you got enough parking for yourself and your guests, where you're not stressed out about it. But it's not so much parking that you have a million people here like you do down near, you know, the pier in Huntington Beach. So this is just a really killer spot. You can see it's a corner lot. So we're one of the biggest lots on the market for sale. That's oceanfront, all of Orange County right now. We are the biggest lot for sale in Sunset Beach right now at just over 3,100 square feet on the lot. So it's a corner lot. There's never going to be anyone on this side of you, which is awesome. You've got killer views going north. You've got obviously awesome views looking west. You've got great views looking south. You've got the sitting area where you have a fireplace, and you got the 2 fridges and a wet bar and a dishwasher. We've got, you know, the Miele, a coffee maker, microwave. This is a awesome house. And when you look at it for $6.5 million, this house in Newport Beach would be like 12 or $13 million, or Corona del Mar or Laguna Beach. And so Sunset Beach to us is like a hidden gem because you have this beautiful open beach. It's a beautiful beach day, and there's like no one there. You know what I mean? There's some people walking on the beach. There's some swell, blue skies, nice ocean breezes, and it's not packed. And so it's really a hidden gem here that I think people just don't know a lot about. But when you look at the value that you get to be here, it's awesome. You've got, in this particular place, we've got a killer ensuite with a walk-in closet over here. You know, you've got this large master bathroom with shower, steam capabilities, big soaking tub, you know, dual sinks. So just a really nice setup in this house. I mean, you could live up here. People come up here and they go, I wouldn't leave my master bedroom. Got another walk-in closet here, bamboo floors. And you've got you know, lots of storage stuff. The elevator comes up here, so there's an elevator that takes it all floors. We've got stackable washer and dryer in here, so in your master suite. So I mean, you got everything you need in this house, like I said, on a huge lot. And so we're now gonna kind of break, and we're gonna go check out the second and first floor. But again, I'll leave it with that view. That could be your view by summertime. Come buy this house. It's calling you. Hey guys, so we're back here at 16601 South Pacific Avenue in Sunset Beach, the beautiful Sunset Beach. We're up here at on the second level of this gorgeous custom home, almost 4,000 square foot house. And on the second level, we've got 3 large bedrooms, all ocean facing. You can't find a house on this stretch of beach where all 3 bedrooms, or all the bedrooms are ocean facing. We've got a master suite that's all the entire third level, and then the second level is these 3 bedrooms, all forward facing towards the ocean. So everybody, all your guests, all your kids, all your friends, all your family, they get to wake up to that amazing view every single day. So big bedroom. We've got it wired for internet and all that. You've got new bamboo floors. I mean, look at the view, right? You're on this side of the house. It's a corner lot, so there's nobody on the side of you here. So as you look north towards Palos Verdes, Long Beach, you can look out this way to Catalina, gorgeous ocean, gorgeous beach. Everything's perfect in here. So really killer spot. This particular, we've got 2 bathrooms on the second level, so there is a ensuite bathroom. So this is like a junior suite on this level here. So you've got a big walk-in shower, dual sinks, you know, beautiful tile work and stonework throughout the bathroom. And then what's also cool is we've got our nautical bathroom here, which, as you can see, is all functioning stuff like from an old ship. So really cool, fun bathroom, perfect setting for this type of location. And then we've got like this office AV room, you know, movie room, however you want to do it. And then the of course, the elevator comes up here. So we'll finish out this little segment of this view here with the views from behind me of the ocean. So again, awesome ocean views from every room here on the second level. Our next little video clip will be downstairs on the first level. What's up, everybody? Danny here with Danny Murphy & Associates, First Team Real Estate. So we're now here on the first level here at 16601 South Pacific Avenue. You can see it's a really big, wide open floor plan. You've got this amazing kitchen with tons of counter and cabinet space. You've got the Sub-Zero fridge, big, huge fridge, a nice large island. This is great for entertaining. You've got sort of the second sink. You've got an 8-burner stove with a full Viking style. You got this huge wok burner. So if you want to party hard and have a big party, you got sort of everything you need here. Multiple dishwashers. We've got lots of wine refrigerators. Nice open layout with the fireplace. You got downstairs bathroom. You've got the elevator over here. But what the most important thing that you have is just amazing views. So as you can see out that way there, as you make your way outside, you've got this awesome bar where people can sit here and just look out towards the ocean. And then we come outside and you know what? You're a corner lot on a nearly 3,200 square foot, 40 frontage feet of beachfront property. So you come out here and you get to hang out and enjoy amazing views, nobody on the side of you here. So we've got, these corner lots are really hard to come by, especially for $6.5 million. We're the largest oceanfront lot, one of the largest, only 28 right now in all of Orange County that are oceanfront on the market that are 3,000 square feet or larger. So, and this one's the cheapest one. It's the least expensive. So come out here. You can make this home yours by the summer. One thing I wanted to point out was killer ocean views. So come check us out. We'll be doing open house today and then Saturday, Sunday, 1 to 5. So hopefully we'll see you here. Come check out a beautiful house that is ready for you to move into by the summer. Thanks.